We are back again, Bicolandia, for our fourth game this afternoon. It will be the ACLC Naga versus the Ateneo Golden Knights para sa ating Bucal Season 6. Nakakasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Jasper Abante para maghatid po ng action sa inyo dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium.
Ayan at live na live tayo sa ating media partners. We have One Media TV 48 Naga YouTube channel and also to Oragon Sports TV Facebook page and syempre hindi mawawala Bucal Facebook page. At nakikita natin dito sa Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium, punong-puno yung ating bleachers on the side of the ACLC. And on the side naman, we have the Ateneo de Naga Golden Cavalry and for sure yung ibang Ateneo community ay nakatutok sa ating live coverage via Bucal Facebook Live and of course on Oragon Sports TV Facebook page.
Ayan nga, Jasper, napupuno na nga, sabi mo kanina, itong ating Ateneo Gymnasium. Pero ito, pag-usapan muna natin itong ating mga teams sa Division 1, the ACLC and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Itong ating ACLC Naga, comfortable second spot para sa ating Division 1 with 6 wins at isa pa lamang po ang kanilang talo, which is coming from the Naga College Foundation Tigers. While on the other side, the Ateneo Golden Knights 2-5 na po on their standing ngayon. 2 panalo, 5 talo at kaya ngayong hapon po ng Bucal Season 6 talagang parehong kupunan po ay determinadong makuha yung panalo ngayon. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's hear it from Chen. Hi Chen, update natin dyan.
Hello Teen and Jasper and hello Bicolandia. This is Chen Shaira Nicolas at ako po muli ang makakasama nyo ngayon dito sa side ng Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. The Ateneo Junior Golden Knights are emphasizing a return to fundamentals after a string of losses. Coach Mac stated, we are going to stick to basics. The Ateneo Junior Golden Knights are confident that this return to fundamentals will lead to improved performance in the coming games. They are determined to learn from their mistakes and continue to fight for every possession. The team's motto now is back to basics. They are ready to prove that they can overcome their recent challenges. Kaya naman manatiling nakatutok dito lang sa Bucal Season 6, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Shannon. An update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Well, then, we have to keep our eyes on the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights if how they will execute that basics. Kasi for sure, matagal na nila itong huling ginamit, itong basics nila. Now, they are back to their basic game plan. Tingnan natin kung ano ba yung tinutukoy nilang basic dito sa laro nila kontra sa ACLC Hawks. And for sure, magandang laban ang matutunghayan natin ngayong hapon since doon pa lang sa standing nitong ACLC Hawks, hindi magpapatalo, hindi talaga magpapahuli. Itong ating ACLC Hawks na patuloy na ipatunay sa atin na hindi sila basta-bastang team dito sa Bucal Season 6. Alright, so may ready na ring update.
Ayan nga, Jasper. Itong ating ACLC Hawks nga pinag-uusapan natin ngayon, napakaganda nung mga performances nila during the last place na meron sila. Kaya para marinig natin kung ano nga ba yung baon nila ngayong hapon na to, let's hear it from Casey. Hi Casey, update natin dyan.
A blazing afternoon, Jasper and Tin, and to our live stream viewers na nanonood via One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and also via Bucal Facebook page. I am Casey Anchoquia at ako ang inyong mga kasama on the side of ACLC Hawks. The Hawks are coming into this game with momentum and determination and they're stepping onto the court with something to prove. Matapos ang kanilang panalo laban sa Annunciation Panthers, they are now ready to take another victory. The team is focused on improving their strength and addressing their weaknesses. They will also improve their defense execution for today's matchup and we'll see kung sino ang mananaig sa laban na ito. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Ayun ang atin narinig natin. Ready na silang banggain itong powerhouse team ng Bucal. We have the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. And for sure, maganda talaga yung ipapakita nitong dalawang teams na ito And as we can see, patuloy na nadadagdagan yung supporters dito on the side of the ACLC Hawks. And maya-maya lamang ay magsisimula na tayo sa ating first quarter.
Ayan nga, Jasper, na pag-uusapan natin itong performances ng ating dalawang kupunan. The ACLC Hawks, kitang-kita naman natin sa standing. 6 wins, 1 loss. Isang talo lang ang meron sila ngayong season na ito. Grabe yung kanilang adjustment from the Bucal Season 5 up to Season 6. Grabe yung improvement na pinakita nila. While on the other side, the Ateneo Golden Knights, maganda yung performance na pinapakita nila, pero kulang pa. At ngayong hapon na to, titingnan natin if yung kulang ba yon or yung kulang ba na yon ay mafu-fulfill nila ngayon against the ACLC Hawks. Napakagandang laban po ang ating makikita ngayong hapon na to, kaya tutok lamang po kayo dahil live na live po tayo sa ating mga Facebook pages para sa ating mga team bahay. Kung gusto niyo pong manood, of course, live po tayo sa ating Bucal Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. At mag-comment lang po kayo dahil babasahin po natin yung inyong mga shoutout at mga pabati po para sa ating laro ngayong hapon na ito.
Alright, so pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Poncha Havayanas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and of course, 3GX ICT Solutions. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. We also have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Sta, Department of Agriculture Bicol, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. And Bucal, as Bucal, we promise that we will continue to give you top-tier basketball actions only here on Bucal Season 6. Ayan, at magsisimula na tayo din dito sa ating first quarter. As we can see, we are now introducing the first 5 for both teams. We have here JC Claro on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. We also have here Charles Solomon. And to tip off, we have JC Claro and jersey number 14 from the ACLC Hawks, Jade Guarin.
Now, let's see. Kanino kaya magpupunta ang ating unang ball possession? Now it goes on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, Pasagre, pass to jersey number 8. And a rebound by JC Claro. Now Ateneo passes. No good on that one, JC. With that rebound and the second chance point for the Ateneo. First basket for our first quarter. Now Pasagre passes to Lagundi. Ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Jasper, we're only starting this matchup, pero mainit na agad yung pagtanggap ng ating mga supporters. Pasagre to inbound. 15 seconds to shoot here. Pass to jersey number 8 yan. Back to Pasagre. 10 seconds to shoot. Guarin, team captain, passes to Pasagre. Tries for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Guarin. Heavily guarded here. Double team. Ball will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Turnover tayo dito on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. Now jersey number 9 to jersey number 2. No good pa rin. First blood for the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Magandang simula on the side of the Junior Golden Knights dito sa ating first quarter. And napaaga yung whistle dito. Natawagan agad dito ng foul si jersey number 17 on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. We have John Francis Mase. 2 free throws kaagad ang igagawa dito on the side of jersey number 17 is Hil Pelapil, who committed that foul. And 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Jaren Lagundi of the ACLC Hawks.
Now let's see for another free throw from Lagundi. No good on that one. JC Claro with that rebound. Passes now. Sarmiento. Now to jersey number 2. Back to Sarmiento. Now on the corner. Tries for 3. That's good. A key basket coming from the side of the Golden Knights.
Courtesy of Kurt Pentecostes. Tingnan naman natin kung anong bawi ang gagawin dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now jersey number 5 to Lagundi. Now jersey number 8. No good on that 3 points attempt. BN comes short on that sequence. Now
the pass is on the corner. Tries again for 3. No good this time. Now the ACLC Hawks. Ooh, that's a hard launch.
natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 9 on the side.
But still, Pentecostes on the game. Now Basagre for the Hawks. Passes here to jersey number 5. Now to Guarin. Back to Basagre. 13 seconds to shoot. Going inside. Yan ngayon gagawa ng paraan. That's an offensive foul. Turnover para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, Ateneo de Sta Junior Golden Knights basketball. Jersey number 9. Pentecostes to inbound. Now Pentecostes to jersey number 14 Solomon. Now to Sarmiento, but a steal here by jersey number 10 of the Hawks, Razon. Now jersey number 7 with that steal. Back-to-back steal by Solomon on the side of the Ateneo de Sta Junior Golden Knights. Now jersey number 14.
Stepping on the line para doon sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Now it will be a turnover para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. 1 of 5 on our scoreboard. 4 na puntos ang inahabol dito ng ACLC. Now, jersey number 7 passes to Basagre, to Razon. Back to jersey number 7. Ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks with 9 seconds to shoot here. Basagre to inbound. Basagre hahanap dito ng mapapasahan. Now to Lagundi. To Guarin. Getting that point.
Junior Golden Knights ball possession here. Now jersey number 2. Yap. To Sarmiento. Tries for the 3. No good on that attempt. Now jersey number 7 with that of defensive rebound.
2-point lead coming from the side of the Ateneo. Yung hinahabol ngayon ng ACLC Hawks. Now Basagre with 10 seconds to shoot here. Going inside, di alintana yung mga guardia. Small but incredible. Basagre getting his way inside. Now Ateneo. Sarmiento now with the ball. Passes to Bautista. Now on the other side for Pentecostes. Tries. That's good.
2 points lead of the Junior Golden Knights as we are about to approach the midway of our first quarter. Now jersey number 2. Now Razon. To jersey number 3. Now 14. Heavily guarded by JC Claro. And a steal here by Claro on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. Now Yab. To Claro. And a traveling violation issued to JC Claro of the Junior Golden Knights. Syempre din, traveling is more fun with Naga Travel and Tours. Ball possession now of the ACLC Hawks. Now jersey number 3.
Now Basagre with the ball. 14 seconds to shoot the Hawks. Now jersey number 7, pass to Razon. Razon going inside to Guarin. Big man. No good. JC Claro was there to get that ball for the side of the Ateneo. Now Pentecostes na yun, titira. No good on that one. Pero just jersey number 8 to get that. Now Sarmiento. Shot back down to 6.
Now jersey number 9 fires for the 3. No good this time. And out of bounds. As the ACLC Hawks will take the ball possession. Four minutes and 24 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Now jersey number 3. Basagre. To jersey number 20. Sandigan. Now Basagre again pushes, but no hesitation. Get that foul. Also having that 2 free throws on the side of the ACLC Hawks. A good opportunity here on the side of the ACLC Hawks, courtesy of John Bernard Basagre. A chance to deadlock everything on our first quarter. 1 point lead of the Junior Golden Knights.
Six, 7 on our scoreboard. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining here. And Jasper, grabe yung depensang nakikita natin dito. Low scoring tayo sa ating first quarter. But a good defense coming from this both sides. Walang gustong patalo dito sa atin ngayon, ACLC Hawks. Now, Basagre for his second free throw. Now that's good. We are tied on 7-all. Napatawag nga dyan ng timeout. Now, Jasper, batiin lang din natin ang ating live viewers sa ating Facebook pages. Shoutout dito kay Nala Persiva, Adrian Aven, Kurt Monte, kay John Michael Salas Mingo at kay Kyla Gaupo na nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon na ito. And halos papuno na din dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium para sa matchup ng ACLC Hawks and the Golden Knights. Dito sa natitirang 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining on our first quarter, penalty na nga po ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. 7-all.
Ayun na nga at napatawag na dito ng timeout, and that's the end of the timeout issued by the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. We'll see kung ano yung adjustments na ginawa nila after the timeout. Since everything is deadlock by 7 points dito sa ating first quarter. Ayan, abangan din natin kung ano yung offensive plan and strategy nitong ating ACLC Hawks since medyo nahihirapan silang makalusot sa depensang dinidisplay nitong ating Junior Golden Knights.
Now back to the ball game. Ball possession of the Golden Knights here. Jersey number 5 to inbound.
Now, Belano.
Abiyog ngayon may hawak ng bola. Will stay on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 14 seconds to shoot. Again, we are deadlocked on 7. It's the Ateneo's basketball. Abiyog to inbound. 14 seconds to shoot here. Abiyog passes to jersey number 5. Now on the outside.
Belano on the outside with 7 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 5 mid-range jumper. And that's good for the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Let's look at it once again. Belano finds jersey number 5 free. Fires for that 2 points rather. And that's good by Yap. Ayan at nakakuha dito ng 3 points play opportunity si Yap. No good on that 3 points play opportunity and turnover on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now Masagre.
And 33 seconds remaining. Masagre passes now to jersey number 7. 8 seconds to shoot on their shot clock. Round pass the wrong person. Now let's see a steal from the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Razon. Natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 14. Turnover on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. 3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. 2 points lead of the Junior Golden Knights now. A couple of substitutions. And as we can see, the ACLC Hawks is doing a man-to-man trapping here. Now Belano on the side of the Junior Golden Knights with 15 seconds to shoot. Now Belano with Claro. Nakakuha pa nga dito ng shooting foul si Claro. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay JC Claro on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Another chance. A chance for the Junior Golden Knights to raise their lead to 4 points. Taas kamay by the Ateneo community. Let's see if JC Clara will get that. No good on that 2 free throws by JC Claro. Now, Basagre to jersey number 20 of the Hawks. Now, Basagre again. And a steal here by jersey number 6. Now, Belano.
Belano with the ball. 17 seconds to shoot on the side of the Ateneo. Tries for 3. No good. Now, chance here for the ACLC Hawks. And the ball will go on the side of the Hawks with 2 minutes and 22 seconds remaining here. 2 puntos lamang po ang kalamangan ngayon ng Ateneo. Now, 20 seconds on the shot clock. Sandigan to inbound.
Kung napapansin mo din yung scoring natin dito sa first quarter, napakababa compared sa ibang games, no? Yung mga natunghayan nating games kaninang umaga from the first game up until sa third game, hindi ganito kahigpit yung laban nila sa first quarter. And dito pa lang, we are down to the last, as we are down to the last 2 minutes of our first quarter, napakababa ng ating score. Isang digit pa lamang yan din.
Yan nga, Jasper, napakaganda kasi nung line-up ng mga laro natin ngayong Sabado na to. Kaya hindi din naman talaga sayang para sa mga nanonood ng live. And of course, sa ating live viewers sa ating Facebook pages dahil napakaganda pong aksyon na binibigay sa atin ng ating mga teams. At ngayon pa lang, nasa pang-apat na laro pa lang po tayo pero grabe na agad yung intensity na ating nararamdaman. Abangan pa po natin mamaya for our last game. It will be the NCF Tigers versus the UNC Greyhounds. Now, on the free throw line, we have jersey number 29, Padayaw. Now we are tied on 9-all dito sa ating first quarter with only 2 minutes remaining. Abiyog now. Passes to Amador, back to Abiyog. Now Belano with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot for the side of the Golden Knights. Belano ang hanap dito ng papasahan. Pass to jersey number 18 to corner. Hawks with the ball. Razon. No good.
No good na 3 points attempt by Padayaw. Now, Abiyog. Jersey number 39 now. Jersey number 5, Yap. On the corner, set Belano. Fakes and pushes to the inside. Jersey number 18. No good on that 2 points attempt. Defensive rebound here on the side of the ACLC Hawks as we are about to approach the last minute of our first quarter. Now jersey number 2, Lagundi. Now, no good on that 3 points attempt by Padayaw. Another no good pa rin this time. Ayan, everything is deadlock pa rin on 9 points dito sa ating first quarter. Now set Belano. Heavily guarded, but jersey number 18. No good on that second attempt. The same ball possession pa rin on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights.
We only have 37 seconds remaining. 9-all. Talagang ayaw paawat ng Ateneo at ACLC at this moment sa ating first quarter. Both teams are now on the penalty. Still, this the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Abiyog to inbound. 37 seconds, 11 seconds on the shot clock of the Golden Knights. Abiyog passes now to jersey number 18. Now on the corner. Long pass. Miscommunication. And with that, mapapatawag pa ng timeout itong ating ACLC Hawks. We only have 31 seconds of our first quarter. 9-all sa ating scoreboard. Jasper, talagang walang paawat itong ating dalawang teams. At kanina pa tayo na-stuck dito sa 9-all. And with good defense of the Ateneo and ACLC, talagang nahihirapan itong ating dalawang kupunan to convert a point.
Ayan, shoutout muna tayo dito sa ating live viewers. We have here the very dedicated and very passionate courtside reporter from the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. We have here Lizlyn Habala. We also have here August Nayumi Portugal, Sir Ken Sales, Martha Arevalo, and Rock Diaz. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Now we are back on the ball game. 31 seconds. 9-all sa ating scoreboard. Let's see what will happen after this timeout. Sino kaya yung makakakuha ng lead dito? Will it be the ACLC Hawks or the Ateneo Golden Knights? Or still, there will be a tie after the first quarter.
Now, ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. Razon to inbound. Now to jersey number 20, Sandigan. To jersey number 29, Padayaw. Now to Razon. With that, foul by jersey number 18 of the Junior Golden Knights. That is Oliver Habana. Makakakuha dito ng free throw si Razon since both of these teams are in penalty situation na kanina pa as we are down on the last 2 minutes of the first quarter. That's good for that first attempt by Razon. causing the lead of the ACLC Hawks to a point.
22 seconds remaining. At isang punto sa kalabangan iyon ng ACLC Hawks. Let's see if it will be a 2 points. With that second free throw, no good. Now Ateneo with the last ball possession here. 17 seconds remaining. Abiog passes now. The jersey number 16 to Sarmiento. Heavily guarded here. Will try, no good. Still, the ball possession of the Golden Knights. Abiog now. 4 seconds remaining. Habana, that's good. And that's the end of our first quarter. Ateneo Golden Knights nga po nakakuha ng isang puntos na kalamangan, ending it 10-11. Magbabalik po kami for our more action sa ating second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Man, Ika, pakabado ka talaga. Ay, Ate Isabel. Ay, isang tutok, Sir Brian ah. Ay, isang tutok ah. And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa ating second quarter. Ayan at lamang ng isang puntos po ang ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Kamay pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and Christine Reyes. Now, sa pagsisimula ng ating first quarter, natawagan agad dito ng foul si jersey number 10 Razon on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, another foul called to Razon on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now jersey number 8, Mark Bien substituted Razon. No good on that 3 points attempt. And turnover here on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now jersey number 3 Basagre to jersey number 5 Bautista. Bautista to jersey number 8 Bien. Now jersey number 20 on that short corner. And a foul called to jersey number 8, Mark Bien of the ACLC Hawks.
Ayan nga, Jasper, doon sa ating first quarter, napakaganda nung nakita natin defensive side ng ACLC and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Dahil dyan, itong ating score 10-11 pa rin hanggang sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter. 1 point lead coming from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And up until now, grabe pa rin yung depensang ipinapakita nitong ating dalawang kupunan. But let's see, with that last last sequence. Basagre, pasok kung pasok dun sa loob. Even on his height, talagang hindi alintana yun sa kanya to gain a point here. And that's a good thing para dito sa ACLC Naga. Napakaganda ng contribution ni Basagre all throughout the season of Bucal.
Ayun, at nagkaroon na nga tayo dito ng change of favor. Ayun lamang na dito ng isang puntos ang ating ACLC Hawks. Now let's see kung anong sagot naman dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Now jersey number 17 with that traveling violation. And let's hear an update from our courtside, from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Tawagin na natin ang ating napakagandang courtside reporter. We have Casey. Casey, take it away.
Lynn and Jasper, the game has just started. Ngunit ramdam na agad ang init ng laro dahil both teams are showing grit and determination to win this game. As per the Hawks coach, JP is urging the team to prevent the opponent from getting their second chance points at lalong pagdidihan ang depensa. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga, mas pag-iigihan pa nila yung depensang pinapakita nila dito. And as for the first quarter and the start of the second quarter, napakaganda pa rin nung binild na factor ng ACLC Naga dito sa ating laro against the Ateneo Golden Knights. But at this moment, 12-11, only 1 point lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating Ateneo or ng ACLC Hawks. But on the other side, grabe din yung ipinapakita dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And to hear an update, andyan si Chen. Hi Chen, update natin dyan.
Well, Tin and Jasper, the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights preparation is already tested by showing their skills and talent for our first succeeding quarters. Hindi nga nagkakalayo ang score sa pagitan ng dalawang kupunan. Kaya naman during the huddle, the players instructed to maintain their energy. Kailangan lang nilang mas sipagan ang bawat galaw at larong ipinapakita. Dahil nagsisimula pa lamang ang laro, they just have to communicate on the hard court to execute the game plan flawlessly. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Shannon. That update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Now, let's see kung paano mag-a-adjust itong Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights sa kanilang team play. Ayan, at tingnan natin kung ano yung kailangan nilang i-adjust din sa kanilang depensa since lamang na nga ng isang puntos ang ating ACLC Hawks. And kung ano yung i-adjust din nila sa kanilang effort since medyo nakukulangan dito ng effort nitong ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. And as we can see with that easy layup by jersey number 5, that is Bautista rather.
Now Jasper, it's the Ateneo's basketball. Jersey number 14 now with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot here. Sarmiento ngayon may hawak. Tries for a mid-range, no good. Guarin with that rebound. 14-11. 3 puntos pa lamang ang nanadagdag dito sa ating second quarter. Now Sandigan. 14 seconds to shoot on the side of the Hawks. Back to Sandigan. Now, di Bautista. Yan na yun. Gagawa ng paraan dito. Sandigan fires for 3. A clean basket for the ACLC Hawks. Now, this is a change of momentum, Jasper. Because as we can see on our first quarter, Ateneo Golden Knights, yung talagang next step up. But on our second quarter, the ACLC Hawks nagpapakilala muli. And because of that, napatawag nga ng timeout itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. 17-11, 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining.
Grabe yung 3 points by Gian Sandigan on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Nothing but the net. Napakalinis magtrabaho nitong si Gian Sandigan, and 6 points lead na ang hawak ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. We'll see kung ano yung adjustments na gagawin. Another adjustments by the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights after they issue this timeout.
Ayan nga, Jasper. And of course, sa ating mga live viewers sa ating Oragon and Bucal Facebook page, talaga namang pati sila nag-enjoy sa laro ng ating ACLC at Ateneo. Shoutout kay Jasmine Bino. John Michael Amingo, kay Biting Escriba, at kay Daryl Pelaez. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pag-antabay. Now, back to the ballgame tayo, as this is the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's see what will be the adjustment on their side na ngayon. Sunod-sunod na yung pagpuntos ng ACLC Hawks at mukhang nakakawala na doon sa depensang ginagawa ngayon ng Golden Knights. Now, Abiog passes to Belano. Belano ngayon may hawak ng bola. Munti ka nang mamala. Now, Billy Gordon here, Abiog. Passes on the inside for JC Claro. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Amador, no good.
Now, Sandigan on the side of the ACLC Hawks. And out of bounds. As the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights will take that ball possession. Siyempre, nakatutok din sa ating Facebook Live. Walang iba kundi si Roel Tud. Ayan, happy viewing, Sir Roel Tud. We also have here Kirk Rodriguez and Sam Rocco. Now, same ball possession on the side of the ACLC Hawks after that held ball situation.
17-11 on our scoreboard. 6 na puntos yung tinabaho dito ng ACLC Hawks para maging kalamangan ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Sandigan to inbound. Passes now to jersey number 7, back to Sandigan. 20 seconds to shoot here. Sandigan naman ulit. Still on the offense. Basagre hahanapin dito si jersey number 7. 9 seconds on the shot clock here. Ball rotation on the side of the Hawks. Passes to Sandigan. Tries one more time. No good. JC Claro with that rebound. Abiog to Bilano. Now Golden Knights taking their time here. Abiog to Bilano. Now JC Claro gagawa ng paraan dito. Block by Guarin. Big man. Basagre. Nagmamadali. Easy layup here. 19-11. An easy point coming from the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Grabe. Back-to-back points. Ayan at 8-0 na yung ating 8-0 na yung scoring run dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now let's see. Wala pang nagagawang bawi itong ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Now ball possession of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Now Belano. Now to Claro. Another chance for the Golden Knights here. Jersey number 14. Belano with that 3 points. Nothing but the net by Belano. Hatid sa atin yan ng Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. Napakagandang bawi naman ang ginawa doon ng ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights courtesy of Seth Belano. Now, an offensive foul called to jersey number 18 on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Turnover tayo dito on the side of the Junior Golden Knights.
19-14 on our scoreboard. 5 puntos na lamang hinahabol ng Golden Knights. Now Belano to Amador. Heavily guarded here. 17 seconds on the shot clock of the Golden Knights. Belano hahanap dito. Amador. 19-14. Amador will try. No good. Nakakagawa ng bola dito. ACLC on the run. No good on that one para kay Basagre.
Missed opportunity on the side of the Hawks. Now Seth Belano with 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. And a traveling violation ang itinawag dito kay jersey number 5, Yap, of the Junior Golden Knights. Syempre, traveling is more fun with Naga yon travel tours. A very crucial error committed by Yap on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. 5 points lead pa rin po ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now Basagre once again for the Hawks. To jersey number 2 Lagundi. Now to Basagre again. Jersey number 7 fires, pops for the 3. No good on that attempt. Now jersey number 18 Habana. To Belano. Now to jersey 14. Belano again. And a steal here by jersey number 8. Now to Basagre. Lumilipad. Pero traveling violation ang itinawag dyan kay Basagre. Sayang. A missed opportunity on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Grabe. Napakaganda sanang lipad by Basagre. Hawks literally have the wings right now, Tin.
Yes, Jasper, dahil nasa kanila nga yung 5 puntos na kalamangan, and up until now, the Ateneo Golden Knights humahanap dito ng paraan para makakuha ng puntos. Now, Yap, Sarmiento will fire for 3. That's good. Binawi naman agad nitong Ateneo Golden Knights. And with that, Jasper, agad-agad na ibaba sa 2 na lamang yung hinahabol ng Golden Knights. And yung ating ACLC Hawks nga, medyo na-stuck doon sa 19 points dito sa ating second quarter.
Now, Basagre to jersey number 29, Pandayaw. Now, jersey number 8. Ayan at titingnan natin kung may kasabay yung free throw. Ayan at meron nga din. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay jersey number 8. That is Mark Bien. After the foul committed by Yap on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Agad na ngang naibaba nitong ating Junior Golden Knights ang kalamangan ng ating ACLC. Now, that's good for that free throw.
Now it's the Ateneo's basketball.
Yeah.
Last 2 minutes of our second quarter now. Yap going inside, getting that basket, making it just a 2-point lead of the ACLC Hawks.
Now, jersey number 20, Sandigan to Padayaw. Now, jersey number 14, Guarin. Now to Sandigan, a good ball rotation by the Hawks. No good on that 3 points attempt. Another and out of bounds as the same ball possession for the ACLC Hawks. Now jersey number 2, Lagundi to inbound.
1 minute and 28 seconds remaining on our second quarter. Now the ACLC Hawks basketball. Lagundi fires for 3. No good. Now an offensive rebound. Bien. Heavily guarded. Sandigan magta-try. Wala pa rin.
Grabe, napakarami na ng attempts dito for 3 points. Now once again, let's take a look. Jersey number 4, no good pa rin. And here, a defensive rebound by the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights, Solomon.
Now Jasper, the Ateneo have a chance here to take on the lead. 20-19, but no good on that last attempt. Jersey number 29 tries. Grabe, yung mga gwardiya dun sa loob. Hindi alintana, talagang naipasok ko yun. Napakaganda.
Binangga niya muna bago niya ipinasok yung bola, and 2 points ang idadagdag natin sa kalamangan nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Grabe. Napakagagaling ng ating mga players dito for both of these teams, and hindi naman agad-agad na hinahayaan nitong Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights na makalayo ng sobrang layo itong ating ACLC Hawks. 34 seconds remaining sa ating first half, and that's good for that first attempt by jersey number 17, Pilapil, on the side of the Junior Golden Knights.
Now let's see on his second free throw. if maibababa niya pa sa isang puntos ng kalamangan ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. That's good. 22-21 in favor of the ACLC Hawks. Now we only have 34 seconds remaining.
Ayun at napatawag pa nga dito ng timeout ang ating ACLC Hawks dito sa last 34 seconds ng ating first half. Tingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito, no? Since nakaganti itong ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights na ilapit na nila yung kanilang puntos. Hindi na masyadong malayo. Well, kanina sa pagsisimula ng ating second quarter, 6 na puntos, pumapatak hanggang 7 puntos yung kalamangan nila. Pero ngayon, 1 puntos na lamang ang kanilang kalamangan. Titingnan natin kung ano yung kanilang gagawin dito sa last 34 seconds ng ating first half. Kung dadagdagan pa ba nila yung kalamangan or pipigilan yung pagpuntos nitong ating Junior Golden Knights.
Yan nga, Jasper, yung kagandahan ng laro natin na ngayong Sabado. Lahat ng mga teams dito, hindi talaga hinahayaan na mapag-iwanan sila. Kaya talagang lumalaban sila up until the end. And now, for the case of the ACLC and the Ateneo Golden Knights, napakaganda nung depensa na ipinapakita nila. At makikita talaga natin yan sa score natin ngayon. And as we can see, we only have 34 seconds remaining. 22-21 in favor of the ACLC Hawks. At nasa penalty na nga po sila. So let's see, with that 34 seconds remaining on our first half, what will be the adjustment after this timeout? Will it be the momentum on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights? Oh, itong ating ACLC mananatiling nasa kalamangan.
Now, jersey number 20, Sandigan, for the Hawks. Now, Padayaw, a very crucial error on the side of the Hawks. Turnover here on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. Now, Yap to jersey number 10, Sarmiento. Fusho, rather. Yap, no good on that high-flying action. Now, Sandigan with 12 seconds to shoot. No good. And a defensive rebound here by jersey number 17, Habana. Pilapil.
There is steal from the side of the Hawks here. Pero natawagan pa dyan ng foul. And we only have 0.53 seconds. Foul yung naitawag dito kay Bator ng Ateneo Golden Knights. So jersey number 29.
53 milliseconds remaining sa ating first half. Now let's see.
Meron pang substitution dito. Razon will be back on the court here for the ACLC Naga. 0.53 counts remaining on our first half. As well as Amador. Mukhang talagang importante sa kanila yung ating oras dito sa ating first half. Now let's see, as this is the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. 0.53 seconds, 1 point lead coming from the side of the Hawks. Lagundi now to inbound. Now passes to Padayo. Pero that's the end of our first half. 22-21 in favor of the ACLC Hawks. We will be back for the second half of this matchup only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
For the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
And we are back for our second half of the matchup of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the ACLC Hawks, kung saan nga po ang ating score pa rin up until the third quarter is 22-21 in favor of the ACLC Hawks. And doon nga sa ating halftime analysis, Jasper, napakadaming turnovers yung nagawa doon sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Siguro isa din yun sa rason kung bakit medyo nahirapan sila dito na makakuha ng puntos, because a lot of opportunities na wala doon sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. While on the other side, the ACLC Hawks nagagawa ng paraan yung mga turnovers nila dito. And now we're starting our second half here. It's the ACLC's basketball. Jersey number 5 passes on the corner to Basagre. Now, we'll try to get a point here to start the third quarter. No good. Now, Ateneo. Sarmiento now. Passes here. Jersey number 16. JC Claro versus Marin. No good.
Now, jersey number 2 for the ACLC Hawks, Basagre. No good in that attempt. Now, Solomon. Sarmiento. Out of bounds as the same ball possession for the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights.
Now the Ateneo still struggling here with that defense of the ACLC Hawks. And to hear an update after the first half, let's hear it from Chen. Hi Chen! Balita natin dyan.
Well, thank you, Dean and Jasper. We reversal to have an effective fundamental offensive tactic for our third quarter of the game. This adjustment will disrupt the defense and generate scoring opportunities para sa mga natitirang quarters. Magtulungan, sipagan at bigyan na ng nakakasakal na depensa to have a proper execution of the game because defense is the best offense. Dean and Jasper, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Kaya naman I can see the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights eagerness na manalo para sa larong ito. Yan muna ang latest dito sa side ng Ateneo. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Shannon. That update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Well, nakikita na natin dito kung ano yung basic game plan na tinutukoy kanina nitong ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Well, as we can see, yun palang basic game plan nilang sinasabi. Napakahigpit ng kanilang depensa. Hindi rin nila basta-bastang hinahayaang makalayo itong ating ACLC Hawks. Well, on the side of the ACLC Hawks, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Casey. Take it away.
Tin and Jasper, during the second quarter, the Hawks have found their rhythm as they managed to establish their lead against the Adnu Junior Knights. Adjustment have made a significant impact, but let's see kung paano nila ito mapapanatili. Coach JP have advised the team to stick to their plan and trust their teammates to properly execute their plays. Ani niya pa, it takes hard work and brain in order to win this game. That's it for now. Back to the
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga yung kailangan nitong ating ACLC Hawks, consistency, dahil na kahit mga ganito yung ating puntos, grabe yung ibinibigay na depensa ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, and at this moment nakuha na nga po ang 2 puntos na kanamangan ng Ateneo, 22-24 dito sa ating third quarter. But let's see, as we're only starting the second half, marami pa pong oras ang pwede nating gugulin para sa panonood nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Now it's the ACLC's basketball. 22-25, 3 points yung kalamangan na hawak niya ng Golden Knights dito as Basagre with that ball. 16 seconds to shoot on the side of the Hawks here. Basagre passes to Sanigan, back to Basagre. Now ball rotation of the ACLC Hawks. Basagre to Razon. Now the jersey number 5, back to Razon, no good.
Now JC Claro on the side of the Junior Golden Knights, jersey number 2 with that pass to Yup. No good on that attempt. Now Sarmiento.
Now Gorin, may hawak ng bola. Di diretso sa loob, getting that basket, making it just a 1-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Walang ayaw o ayaw magpaiwan itong ating dalawang kupunan. We are again having this tight game.
Now, Sarmiento with that block by Razon. Napakatangkad. Razon. Now to jersey number 20. Razon again. That's good. Jersey number 14.
Guarin, yes, the team captain of the ACLC Hawks. Sarmiento was there. JC Claro was there, but Guarin hindi nagpatinag, getting that point of this ACLC Hawks. Now the Ateneo, change of momentum ulit tayo, 26-25. Now jersey number 2. Passes here. Kay jersey number 14. That's good. Pumawi naman agad itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Courtesy of jersey number 14.
Now, ACLC Hawks, jersey number 20 to Razon. No good on that attempt and a defensive rebound here by the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 14 to Yap. Now to jersey number 2. Now, Sarmiento to 14, mid-range jumper, and that's good for the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Now, ACLC Hawks, jersey number 3, Basagre.
Now let's see, ano kaya yung pambawi dito ng ating ACLC Hawks na passes on the corner. Now back to jersey number 5, Bautista. Guarin muli. No good on that one. Now Bautista of the Ateneo Golden Knights having that ball. 4 minutes and 56 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Now Golden Knights still on the lead of 3. JC Clow going inside. No good. Basagre without rebound. Diretso passes on the inside. No good. There was some foul there.
Natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 5 of the ACLC Hawks, Miko Bautista.
Now, Ateneo. Delano passes to jersey number 14, Solomon. Solomon ngayon, heavily guarded here. Fadeaway shot, no good. Sandigan with that long pass. Basagre ngayon, 4-on-1. And he did that with that guards of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Di alintana talaga yung liksi dito ni Basagre.
Grabe. Now, Belano on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. Looking for a good opportunity here. Jersey number 14, now 17. Nakakuha pa nga dito ng shooting foul si jersey number 17. Hill Pelapil on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. Grabe, hindi talaga nagkakalayo itong puntos ng dalawang koponan na ito. 28-29, a point lead of the Junior Golden Knights. Tingnan natin kung ilang puntos pang idadagdag niyan. That's good for the first attempt by Hill Pelapil. 2 points lead of the Junior Golden Knights. Now let's see kung itataas nila yan sa 3. Hill Pelapil for his second attempt. No good on that second attempt by Hill Pelapil. Now jersey number 3, Basagre. Kanina pang naglalaro itong si Basagre, no? Since ating first half.
Hindi nga pinapahinga itong si Basagre kasi talagang napakalaki ng contribution niya for the ACLC Hawks. But now, still ball possession of the Hawks. Guarin having that ball. But the ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. 28-30 for 3 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. 2 seconds para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Let's see kung paano kaya yung gagawin nila dito. Now Sandigan fires for 3, no good. That's a 24 seconds violation. Ateneo have a chance here to widen that gap against the Hawks.
Now, jersey number 8, Seth Belano. Nagmamadali with jersey number 18 nakaabang doon. No good on that attempt. A missed opportunity on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. Basagre again on the side of the Hawks. Nagmamadali rin. And that's good for 2 points courtesy of Razon on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now 10. Everything is tie dito sa ating third quarter.
Now that's an offensive foul committed by Belano of the Golden Knights. Napakaganda, Jasper, nung napapanood natin ngayon. And talagang intense kung intense, depensa to kung depensa yung ipinapakita dito ngayon ng Hawks and Golden Knights. 30 all. 2 minutes and 58 seconds remaining, and this will be the ball possession of the Hawks with 14 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 7 now to inbound. Passes to Sandigan. Back to jersey number 7. Down to 10 seconds. Now Basagre. A traveling violation there. Lost opportunity for the Hawks here. A chance for the Golden Knights to take on the lead again.
Grabe, napakababa ng scoring natin dito, 10. Akalain mo yon. Third quarter na, matatapos na ang third quarter. Pero 30 points ang ating scoring dito sa ating third quarter. Now Belano. Grabing agawan. Double team, jersey number 17 and a steal here by Razon. A wrong pass by jersey number 17 now. Jersey number 7, Razon. Nakakuha ulit ng dalawang free throws dito. Grabe itong ACL Seahawks magtrabaho din. Walang sinasayang na opportunity. This time, free throws naman ang makukuha dito ni Razon on the side of the ACL Seahawks.
At kung makikita mo, Jasper, yung height difference, yung size difference itong ACL Seahawks and Ateneo Golden Knights, merong advantage itong Ateneo Golden Knights kasi dito sa side ng ACL Seahawks, Gorin, big man ng Hawks. Pero dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights, halos lahat ng players nila talagang maaasahan mo sa baba. But still, na-manage ng ACL Seahawks na makapasok sa loob and to get a point. Now, a 1-point lead coming from the ACL Seahawks after that first free throw of Razon. Now, let's see if itong ating pangalawang free throw, no good. Now, nagkakagawan pa dito. JC Claro secured that ball. 2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Now, jersey number 17, Pilapil, passes on the outside to Milano. Milano ngayon to Sarmiento. And that's a basket.
3 points play opportunity for jersey number 15, JC Claro of the Ateneo de Sta Junior Golden Knights. Napakagandang opportunity rin on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. A chance to raise their lead here by 3 points. As we are on the last 2 minutes of our third quarter.
And of course, Jasper, gusto lang din natin pasalamatan ng ating mga sponsors sa Naga College Foundation, Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lamang Residences, Ateneo de Sta University, NCF Wings, Sportswear Apparel at Garden Café. Maraming salamat po. Now, ball possession of the ACLC, courtesy of Sandigan, having that easy 2, dire-diretso doon sa loob itong si Sandigan. Now 33-32, 1-point lead of the ACLC. Now jersey number 7 was blocked, but the ball will stay on the side of the Hawks. With that, a timeout was called here. A minute and 39 seconds remaining. 33-32 in favor of the ACLC Hawks.
Alright, so pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors, our major sponsors. We have Biggs, Elise Sportswear, HJP Poncha, Habayanas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. We also have KD Sportswear Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, Department of Agriculture Bucal, and of course BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1. We also have the Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, and of course Digital Graphics. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta.
And yan nga po, back to the ball game. Both teams are now on the penalty. A minute and 39 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. At 33-32 pa rin po tayo with 1-point lead coming from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, ball possession pa rin po nila ito. Jersey number 7 now. To inbound, passes to Sandigan. Sandigan na napakaganda nung naging performance simula pa ng first quarter. Isa talaga sa mga players nitong ACLC Hawks na nagpakitang gilas dito. Now Sandigan going inside again, pushing it through, getting that point, and now taking on the lead against the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Grabe, back-to-back points for the ACLC Hawks. Now, a steal again by Sandigan, lumilipad, libreng-libre. Grabe, dagdagan pa natin yan din ng 2 puntos ang kanilang kalamangan. 5 points lead of the ACLC Hawks. Now, once again, Set Belano. Now to jersey number 7, Belano again. Now Sarmiento, Farsman for the 3. No good, pero may bawi doon. Si jersey number 7 of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights.
Now, 3-point lead ang hawak ng ACL Seahawks. Last 37 seconds. Jersey number 6 passes to Sandigan. 10 seconds on the shot clock here. Back to jersey number 6. In and out ball. Now, Golden Knights have a chance here to lessen that gap of the Hawks. Belano ngayon may hawak ng bola. Passes to Abiog. 16 seconds to shoot here. Try is no good. Guarin without rebound now. Last ball possession. Jersey number 7. Diretso dito with that layup. 39-34. Last 4 seconds of the third quarter. Belano loses it. Now, the end of our third quarter, 39-34 in favor of the ACL Seahawks. We will be back for the fourth and last quarter of the game, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa ating fourth and last quarter. 5 puntos na kalamangan ang hawak ngayon ng ating ACL Seahawks. Kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and Christine Reyes dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ayan, ball possession ngayon dito ng ACL Seahawks. Tingnan natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy ang kanilang momentum dito sa ating fourth and last quarter o mababawi yan ng ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Now let's see. Basagre now to jersey number 6 on the corner. No good on that 3 points attempt. Now Claro for the Junior Golden Knights. Jersey number 2. Now to 17. No good on that pull-out jumper. Now ACL Seahawks.
Now Jasper, as you can see on our first quarter of the third quarter, yung palitan lang ng puntos itong ating Ateneo and ACL Seahawks. And both teams hindi nagkabakawala doon sa kanilang malaking kalamangan kung kaya talagang nahahabol at nahahabol nila. And on our last quarter this afternoon, this will be a decision quarter kung sino nga ba dito sa Ateneo at ACL Seahawks yung makakakuha ng panalo ngayong hapon na ito. Will it be the ACL Seahawks para maninis na 7-1 ang kanilang standing, or itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights para maging 3-5 na po sila sa ating Division 1? And the early timeout was called here, 39-34. 9 minutes and 19 seconds remaining at syempre, Jasper, malaking pasasalamat din po natin sa ating mga live audience na hanggang ngayon ay nakatutok pa rin po sa atin at talagang binibigay yung kanilang suporta dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Kaya naman po, shoutout dito kay Christian Noble, Anjo Aquino, Mary Joy Sandigan Rocco at kay Kurt Monte na grabe yung suporta dito sa ACLC Hawks as well as the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Alright, so titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito din after the timeout issued by the ACLC Hawks. Alright, so napakahaba pa ng ating fourth and last quarter. Maya-maya lamang ay malalaman na natin kung sino ang mag-uuwi ng panalo. Will it be the ACLC Hawks getting their 7th win this season? Or itong ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights getting their 3rd win this season?
Now we are back on the ball game here as the ACLC Hawks still on the lead of 5 points, pero hindi dapat sila dito maging complacent because nangyari na to kanina during the first quarters of the game na nakuha ng ACLC yung kanilang kalamangan, but still the Ateneo still managed to get that lead against the ACLC Hawks. Now let's see as Basagre handle that ball. Pass to jersey number 6, back to Basagre. Now going inside with 3 seconds. That is a basket count with the foul. A 3-point opportunity here for the ACLC Hawks.
Let's take a look at it once again din. Basagre pushes to the inside. Off balance shot and that's good. 3 points play opportunity ang nakuha dito ni Basagre on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Napakagandang momentum.
Now Basagre for a bonus free throw here. That no good. At para makinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACLC Hawks, let's hear it from Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita natin dyan?
Tin and Jasper, we are now down on the last quarter of the game at talagang gitgitan ang laban ng dalawang team ngayong araw. For the Hawks, they will play 2-3 zone defense upang may patuloy ang kanilang kalamangan. Tin and Jasper, last quarter na nga. Kaya naman, napaka-crucial ng bawat puntos. Kaya naman, pinayuhan sila ni Coach Realty to take care of their lead. Malalaman natin kung sino ang mananaig ngayong last quarter. Kaya tutok lamang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Ay nangatin at ano kaya yung gagawin dito ng ating ACLC Hawks para mapanatili yung kanilang lamang dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. And of course, kung paano nila ipapagpatuloy yung kanilang momentum. Alright, so as we can see, they are now adjusting on their offense kasi goods naman yung kanilang defense, nahihirapang makapasok itong Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. And speaking of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights, nandyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen to give us an update. Alright, so Chen, take it away.
Well, thank you, Tin and Jasper. Rinig na rinig ko pa rin ang hiyawan at sigawan dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium at hindi man sumasangayon ang panahon sa init ng laban, but the coaches keep instructing the team na ibigay na ang all-out na galing dahil last quarter na. So this is their last push to put an extra effort. Ika nga ni coach during the huddle, raise the ball kung nasaan dahil kagaya nga ng sabi ko sa aking previous reports, hindi darating sa inyo ang bola. You need to pursue the ball. Kaya naman, makukuha kayang muli ng Ateneo Junior Golden Knights ang panalo. Yan ang dapat nating labangan. Kaya naman si Graphic tumutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga, last quarter to push themselves dito sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights because as we can see right now, 41-34. That's a big gap na dito sa ating laban na against the ACLC Hawks. Kailangan na ngayong gawin ng paraan itong Golden Knights na talagang mabigyan ng puntos yung kada ball possession na hawak nila. Execute well the play at sabi nga dito ni coach na huwag hintayin yung bola, talagang depensahan kung ito man ang kanilang hawak. And now, 7 minutes and 52 seconds remaining na lamang po ang meron tayo sa ating fourth quarter. Now, nakuha ni JC Claro ang kanyang unang free throw, 41-35, 6-point lead. Medyo malaki pa to because of the defense na ipinapakita nitong ating dalawang kupunan. Medyo mahihirapan but still, it's a long way for our fourth quarter to end. So the Hawks and the Golden Knights needs to tighten their defense needs to give their all for the offense and of course to give communication with each players of the team. Now, maaga pa lang pero penalty na agad itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Ball possession naman ngayon ng ACLC Hawks. Now Basagre with the ball. 14 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Bien. Back to jersey number 7. Now on the inside for Guarin. Tries. No good.
No good on that pull-out jumper by Guarin. Now Seth Belano on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. Jersey number 14. Now Belano to Sarmiento. Yup. Fires for the 3 and that's good. That's good for the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights courtesy of Yap. Napakalinis ng 3 points doon ni Yap. Now jersey number 20. No good on that attempt. And out of bounds. Mukhang napasama dito yung bagsak dito ni jersey number 20 Sandigan.
Now, pinag-uusapan pa lang kanina natin na hindi kailangan maging kampante nitong mga kupunan natin because as we can see right now, 2 puntos na agad yung hinahabol nitong Ateneo Golden Knights. Napakabilis nung kanilang transition dito sa ating fourth quarter. 7 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. Now, this will be the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks with 14 seconds on their shot clock. Now jersey number 7 to inbound. Passes on the corner, no good.
Ayan at natawagan na nga dito ng technical foul si jersey number 20 for faking a foul.
Now Belano will be on the free throw line here. 41-39, 6 minutes and 57 seconds remaining.
Ayun at natawagan nga dito ng technical foul for flapping itong si jersey number 20 Sandigan on the side of the ACLC Hawks. After that 3 points attempt by Sandigan and he fell out on the floor and immediately natawagan siya doon ng technical foul for flapping. Ayan. The ball will remain on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Jersey number 3 Basagre to inbound. Now ACLC Ralph Razon now Sandigan again. Looking for a good opportunity here. Jersey number 7 to Sandigan. Fires, pops for the 3. Comes up short pero may follow-up dyan. Si jersey number 3 again, Sandigan. Basagre rather. Grabe. Now, Seth Belano, one-on-one with Sandigan. Now, Claro to Belano again. Stops for a while but he hesitated on that 3 points attempt. Now, jersey number 5, yup, no good on that 3 points attempt. Jersey number 14, ACLC Hawks. Sandigan again. To Basagre.
43-40, Sandigan now. 13 seconds to shoot here for the side of the Hawks. The passes to Basagre. To the corner. Now Guarin heavily guarded here. No good. Sarmiento without rebound.
A long pass. That's good for Yap on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Ayan at naibaba na nga nila sa 1 puntos na kalamangan dito. Ang lamang na hawak ngayon ng ACLC Hawk.
Now Sandigan. Again with the ball. Passes on the corner. Jersey number 7 now. Onto the other side. Guarin. Solong-solo sa baba. At hindi hinayaan na mapalapit pa yung puntos dito ng Golden Knights. Now 45-42. 5 minutes and 19 seconds remaining on our fourth quarter. Now Belano with the ball on the side of the Golden Knights. Sila yung nagkahabol ngayon. Tries for a mid-range. That's good. Para dito. Kaya Yap. Another.
Now, Sandigan on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Jersey number 7 to Razon. With no hesitation, puts up that 2 points and 2 free throws ang nakuha dito ni Ralph Razon after that shooting foul committed by jersey number 12 Sarmiento on the side of the junior Golden Knights. Isang puntos pa rin ang kalamangan na hawak dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Dagdagan pa yan ng isa ni Ralph Razon. Tingnan natin kung gagawin niyang tatlo ang kalamangan dito ng kanilang koponan. And as we can see, we are on the midway of our fourth and last quarter. Malapit na nating malaman din kung sino ang mag-uuwi ng panalo dito sa ating fourth game ngayong Sunday. And hindi rin malabo, Saturday rather, and hindi rin malabo na magkaroon ng overtime match since dikit na dikit ang laban natin.
Now Belano for the side of the Ateneo. Tama nga yung sabi mo, Jasper, dikit na dikit po ang laban nitong Ateneo and the ACLC Hawks, kaya dapat lahat ng ball possession na meron sila ay talagang ma-convert. And with that, we are tied again on 46 all thanks to Sarmiento of the Golden Knights. Now this is a very thrilling game of the ACLC and the Ateneo. 46 all. 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining na lamang po ang meron tayo, pero napakahigpit pa rin nung hawak ng mga players sa kanya-kanyang kupunan. And with that, basket count with a foul courtesy of Razon. Now let's see it one more time. Now yun yung galing sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights, kaya naipatay yung laro dito, but with that last sequence coming from Razon, the ACLC Hawks now on the lead of 2 and a chance for a 3-point lead after this bonus free throw of Razon.
Now let's see kung anong gagawing play dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights since madaling nakakaganti itong ating ACLC Hawks ay nailamang na ulit nila sa 3 puntos ang kanilang kalamangan dito. Now Seth Belano
still here, Lagundi di diretso, getting that basket, making it a 5-point lead against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's see kung babawi ba dito. But a whistle foul there.
Natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 3 Basagre on the side of the ACLC Hawks at napatawag na nga dito ng timeout ang ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights.
And with that, Jasper, 51-46. Kung gaano kabilis lumamang nitong ACLC Hawks, ganun din kabilis na mahabol ng Ateneo Golden Knights yung kanilang puntos. Kaya naman hindi dapat magpakampante itong ating dalawang kupunan. With that remaining time of 3 minutes and 39 seconds, masyado pa pong mahaba ang laro natin ngayon. With this tight defense and offense of this both teams, hindi pa rin po natin alam, will it be the Ateneo Golden Knights will take home their 3rd win or the ACLC Hawks? Pampitong panalo ang maiuuwi ngayong hapon nito. Of course, maraming salamat dahil puno na talaga po ang ating Ateneo Gymnasium with the supporters of the ACLC community as well as the Ateneo community na talagang grabe yung suporta. All out yung kanilang ipinapakita dito ng suporta sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, we are back on the ball game with 3 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. 51-46 in favor of the ACLC Hawks. Now, this will be a ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now let's see. What will they do at this moment after the timeout? Ano kaya yung naging bagong strategy ng Ateneo to lessen that gap? Now Sarmiento. Pass is here. Jersey number 5 loses it. Now it's still from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Chance here to widen that gap. Basagre. 16 seconds to shoot. Passes to Sandigan. On the inside, Razon muli. Loses the ball. Ateneo on the run here. Pilapil.
Ayun at natawagan dito ng blocking foul. Si jersey number 20, Sandigan, on the side of the ACLC Hawks. The ball will stay on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights, jersey number 2 to inbound. Last 3 minutes and 9 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and last quarter. Now, jersey number 2 to JC Claro. Now, to jersey number 9. JC Claro once again. No good on that attempt. Now, Sandigan. 5 puntos na kalamangan ang hawak ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks.
Yes, malapit na nga tayo, Jasper, sa ating 2-minute mark of the fourth quarter. Sandigan now with 8 seconds to shoot. Basagre with the ball. Punches it for 3-pointer. No good. Now, good save here for the ACLC Hawks. Sandigan again to try one more time. Wala pa rin. Still, the ball possession of the Hawks. Razon, 10 seconds. And the ball will go on the side of the Golden Knights here. 2 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. 51-46 in favor of the ACLC Hawks. Now, jersey number 2, Bautista. Heavily guarded here by Basagre. Sarmiento. Passes on the corner here, going inside. Bautista to Sarmiento. Back to Bautista with 5 seconds to shoot. Rise. No good. Razon with that rebound.
Back-to-back missed opportunity by JC Claro on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. Now, Basagre to Sandigan. Napakatutunog ng pangalan nitong mga to dito sa ACLC Hawks. Sandigan again and out of bounds. And turnover on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. And a couple of substitutions here. Seth Belano checked in for the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights.
Yan nga, Jasper. A minute and 42 seconds na lamang po ang meron tayo dito sa ating fourth quarter. But still, we are on 51-46 of our scoreboard. Now Belano. Will he make it? Passes on the corner, tries for 3, no good. JC Claro nakapagagawan. Pero Lagundi was there to steal that ball. Good save here. Now Sandigan. 17 seconds to shoot on their side. Passes to Basagre. Picking up their time here. Down to 7 seconds. Sandigan ngayon versus Belano. But a whistle foul there.
Ayan at natawagan nga dito ng foul si Seth Belano of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Jersey number 20, Sandigan getting that 2 free throws. A very good opportunity. Very good chance for the ACLC Hawks to add their lead here. 46-51. 5 puntos po na kalamangan ng hawak dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Tingnan natin kung dadagdagan pa yan ng 2 pa. No good on that first attempt by Sandigan. Once again, Sandigan for the ACLC Hawks. Let's see. And Sandigan, no good on that attempt by Sandigan. Now, Junior Golden Knights, Belano. Jersey number 14 on the outside. No good on that 3 points attempt.
Now, 45 seconds remaining here. It's the ACLC's basketball. Loses that opportunity. But still, it's a 5-point lead of the ACLC Hawks. And with that, mapapatawag nga ng timeout itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Dahil yung 5 puntos hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin nababawasan ng Ateneo Golden Knights. 39 seconds. At abangan po natin mamaya ang ating last game this Saturday. It will be the NCF Tigers versus the UNC Greyhounds. Just like nung mga naunang laro po, magandang laban ulit ang ating mapapanood mamaya.
Ayan, at si Christine Reyes po ang inyong makakasama dyan sa ating last game. And as we can see, 39 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and last quarter. Malapit na itong matapos din at malapit na nating malaman, makilala kung sino ang mag-uuwi ng panalo. Will it be the ACLC Hawks getting their 7th win this season, or the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights getting their 3rd win this season? Alamin na natin yan maya-maya kung makakabawi ba itong ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights sa 5 puntos na kalamangan na nagawa ng ating ACLC Hawks for the past 3 quarters. Ayan, 39 seconds remaining. Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights basketball. Now, jersey number 2 to inbound to Yap. Now, Yap with that screen by Sarmiento. And Yap, in and out ball for Yap. A very crucial mistake. I mean, missed opportunity rather. Grabe. In and out ball for Yap. Natawagan dito ng foul on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. Magkakaroon dito ng 2 free throws si jersey number 3 Basagre on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Last 23 seconds for our 4th and last quarter.
Now Basagre will be on the free throw line to add to that 5-point gap of the ACLC Hawks. No good. 23 seconds remaining on our game this afternoon. Basagre again to try one more time. Still no good. Oops. Nakita na dito sa Ateneo. JC Caro now. 15 seconds. Tries for a 3. No good. Now ACLC Hawks with that ball.
8 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ayan natin. 5 seconds remaining na lamang sa ating fourth and last quarter. Well, the ACLC finally taste the sweet taste of victory for the 7th time.
Now with that 5 seconds remaining, Jasper, I think we're just waiting for the time to end here. 51-46. 5 puntos na kalamangan mula sa ACLC Hawks at 5 segundo na lang rin ang natitira sa matchup na ito. It will be difficult for the Ateneo Golden Knights as they have the chance kanina but still hindi nagawa ng paraan. And now, with only 5 seconds remaining, 4, 3, and that's it. The ACLC Hawks will go home with 7 wins for our second round of elimination. What a good matchup we've seen this afternoon. Still congratulations sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights for giving us a good fight this afternoon. And congratulations to ACLC Naga for getting this win and ending the matchup by 52-46. Sa ating pagbabalik po, we will be back with our best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Talaga nga namang ipinakita ng dalawang teams ang kanilang galing at determinasyon. Ngunit isa lang ang nagwagi at yan ang ACLC Hawks. Now let's give the spotlight to the most outstanding player of the game, brought to you by ACLC Hawks. Senior high school is absolutely free. Now coming in with 17 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists and 1 steal, jersey number 3 of ACLC Hawks, Mr. John Bernard Basagre. First of all, congratulations for being named as the best player of the game. Now, what was going through your mind during the game?
Naisip ko lang po talaga na yung araw-araw naming pagod sa training para makuha namin yung talagang gustong ma-execute ng coach namin.
Ano naman po yung areas na gusto mo pang i-improve on your next game?
Mas lalo ko pa pong i-improve ang aking shooting. Mag-extra work pa po ako para triple threat po palagi ang bantay sa akin.
Now, I'm giving you the floor to shout out your fans and supporters na nanonood sa ating live stream.
Unang-una po gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord God. Binigyan kami ng binigyan kami ng panalo ngayong araw na to. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa ACLC community, kay Boss Adrian, sa asawa niya, sa mga coaches namin, kay Coach Descoanco, sa family ko, kay Nanay Lilia, kay Papa Bernie, kay Tito Joey, kay Mami Anan, yun lang po.
Thank you so much po. And there you have it, our best player of the game. Thank you for joining us on this exciting live stream via One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and also via Bucal Facebook page. This has been your courtside correspondent, Casey Anchokya. See you on our next game. This is Bucal Season 6, where future rise. Back to the panel.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nakilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si jersey number 3, John Bernard Basagre, with 17 points, 5 rebounds, 1 steals, and 5 assists. Hatid sa atin yan ng ating courtside reporter na si Casey, and of course ACLC Naga Senior High School is absolutely free. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok sa ating live broadcast via Bucal Facebook page, and of course on Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Once again, I am Jasper Abante.
I am Christina Canzo Reyes. Abangan po natin ang ating last game this afternoon. It will be the NCF Tigers versus the UNC Greyhounds, only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.